Hey everybody, I'm Bren Brewer, your favorite realtor, and it's time for our June 2025 housing market update for the Woodlands in Conroe. We've got fresh numbers, a few surprises in inventory and pricing, and I'm going to break down exactly what's happening in each part of our area, from the Woodlands to Conroe, Magnolia, Spring, Porter, and Lake Conroe. If you're thinking about making a move this summer, you're going to want to hear this. So let's start with the big picture. In June, we saw active listings up from May. There was 6,400 in May, and in June, there was 6,783. That's about a 5% increase. Closed sales are slightly down. There were 442 last month, and in June, there were 419. So the sales pace dipped just a little bit. The median sales price was 355 in May, and it's down to 350, but still well above where we started the year. The average days on the market was also down. In May, it was 77 days, and in June, we're looking at 72 days as the average. So well-prepped homes are still moving. The median days on the market is up. So last month it was 33. This month is 39. Our months of inventory are up just slightly from 4.5 in May to 4.8 in June. So we have almost 5 months of inventory right now. So what does that tell us? Well, it tells us that more homes are hitting the market. Buyers still have choices and they're being very selective. Well-prepared homes are selling faster, but the ones that need work are sitting, which is pushing the median days on market up. We're seeing a classic summer balancing act. Good homes are moving, buyers have more power, but prices are staying steady. So let's break it down by each market so you can see the real story behind each of those averages. In Conroe, the median price is $334. It's slightly down from May, so buyers are being mindful in Conroe. Inventory is there are 1,435 active listings, which is a solid choice for the buyers in Conroe. There are 278 closed sales in June, so that's a steady number. There's no huge jumps there. And the average days on the market is 79 and the median is 49. So what's happening? Conroe is still the sweet spot for folks looking for value near the Woodlands, but buyers are getting pickier. Homes that shine move fast. They lag closer to that 49-day median. Over in the Woodlands, we see that median price up from May to $735,000. Luxury buyers are still showing up. There are 420 active listings and 171 closed sales in the Woodlands in June. The average days on the market is just 25, with the median days being 10. Homes here move fast when they look good. The bottom line is the Woodlands is seeing healthy demand for updated, move-in ready homes. If you're selling in the Woodlands, presentation is everything. Staging, pro photos, and the right price get you that fast 10-day sale. Now over in Spring, that median price is up from May to $336,000. There are 1,874 homes on the market. Lots of choices for buyers. There are 412 homes closed in June. It's a very active market. The average days on the market is 65, with that median being 34. So Spring is staying steady. It's very balanced. Entry level and move up buyers are both active here, but they are comparing their options. Homes that are staged and priced right are getting solid offers fast. Now over in Magnolia, there was just a slight month-over-month change to 349.9. It's a stable market. There are 1,067 active listings and 172 closed sales in June. That is a much slower sales pace than Spring or Conroe. Their average days on the market is 97 with a median of 67. They are the highest days on market in the region. Magnolia is super interesting because buyers love the space and the acreage, but they're so careful about the condition. Outdated homes are sitting so much longer here, and if you're a seller in Magnolia, the key is small updates and curb appeal. Buyers do not want fixer-uppers this summer. Now over in Porter and New Caney, the median price is $292,500, still one of our most affordable markets. There are 672 active homes on the market, and June saw 170 closed sales in that area. The average days on the market is 79 with a median of 44 days. Porter and New Caney stay strong for first-time home buyers. Homes under 300,000 still exist here, but they go quick if they're in good shape. Affordability is drawing a lot of interest here, so sellers here have a great window if they prep right. Now up over on Lake Conroe, the median price is slightly up to 335,000. There are 1,315 active listings on Lake Conroe. 217 homes closed last month. That's a little bit stronger than Magnolia. The average days on the market is 89, with the median being 56 days on the market. Lake Conroe is acting like a classic vacation market. Homes sit a bit longer, especially older lakefront homes, but summer always brings more interest. Buyers are looking now to get a home on the water before July and August. So what does all this mean for you? Well, for sellers, if your home is prepped and positioned right, you still have a great chance of a quick sell, especially in the Woodlands and spring. But with inventory growing, buyers can compare, so don't skip staging, curb appeal, or competitive pricing. For buyers, you've got breathing room compared to the last couple of years. More homes to pick from, slightly longer days on market, and a balanced market means you can negotiate smart, but be ready to move fast on the good ones. For everybody else, the Woodlands Conroe area is healthy, balanced, and stable right now. It's not a frenzy, it's a smart market. And that's a good thing for everyone. Real estate is hyper local. What's happening in your neighborhood may not look like the average is. If you're curious about what your home could sell for in today's market, scan that QR code or click that link below to get a free home valuation. If you're planning to buy or sell this summer, I'd love to help you make a smart plan, avoid that stress, and get the results you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.